Hello, I am Dr. Ozgur Koldas, and I am working in the medical, aesthetics, and hair transplantation. We have observed that medical aesthetics was the bread and butter of beautification and aesthetics, but the spotlight was always on women. For the first time, men are now on the stage. For what? For hair transplantation. Our topic is hair transplantation. Many men, including me, feared losing their hair. I, too, was a victim. I thought I was getting old when I saw my first hair drop to the floor. I am sure you are not the only one to say or think of this. So, hair transplantation, also known as a man's biggest nightmare. Is there a solution? Yes, hair transplantation. We call all treatments for hair loss as hair transplantation. Hair transplantation is a process in which healthy hair roots are harvested and transplanting them into an area which is like a shredded, empty field that looks barren. This is one of the procedures in which individually harvested hairs are individually, symmetrically, parallelly, and properly placed into canals that are individually opened. It is true that it is long and difficult, but it is also painless. Another aspect of the hair transplantation is the pain they feel during the procedure. There are many techniques applied to eliminate the pain. Foremost among these, we use air guns, which reduce the pain as much as possible and during which injection is not felt.
Teknolojilerin kullanıldığı, yani bir nevi havalı tabancayla bir noktaya enjeksiyon yaptığımız uygulamalardır. Evet, bununla başladığımız saç ekimi.
This is how we start the procedure and proceed into placing the hair roots.
Yerleştirmeyle devam ediyoruz.
This procedure of placing is called hair transfer or hair restoration, but it is generally named hair transplantation. Being a new export item, hair transplantation is well known even outside of Turkey and becoming one of the strongest export items. It became one of the flagship components of the health tourism, which is very important for the promotion of our country. When we put away the fear of hair transplantation and talk about the areas of development, we need to describe the mechanism of hair transplantation. Hair transplantation is performed under sterile conditions. The practitioners must always wear sterile gloves in the sterile operating room that includes a sterile television for distracting the patient. The patient can eat, we can take a break, and we also meet the needs of using the bathroom, coffee, television, even watching movies on Netflix.
Kahveye ihtiyacı, televizyon izleme, hatta Netflix'te takip ettiği filmi izleme imkanını bile sağlayabiliyoruz.
We harvest all hair roots, one by one. How do we do it? We use a micro-engine or one of our singular structures. We harvest the hair roots one by one onto this device.
Alarak, kıl köklerinin içerisinden cihazın içerisine alarak tek tek topluyoruz. Bunu mekanik cihazlarla
We use mechanical devices that look like metal needle tips with a spinning wheel and a micro device.
Metallerle alıyoruz. Ama bunu bir nevi dönen bir çarkla, evet mikromotorla yapıyoruz. Yani tek tek kıl köklerinin hepsini
We inject hair roots one by one by cutting the area near every hair root and setting the hair roots free.
Kansız bir noktada keserek kıl köklerin serbestleşmesini sağlıyoruz. Bu serbestleşmenin
After
hemen
that,
sonrasında
we collect all hair roots
bu kıl
one
kökleri
by
tek
one.
tek topluyoruz. Topladıklarımızı
We keep the hair roots we collected in a petri dish, and we sort them by their lengths, thickness, and amount.
Evet, bunları yaptıktan sonra da kanalları açmamız
we have to open canals because we have to pierce every hole so that we can place the hair roots into the proper canals.
Kendisine uygun bir kanalın içerisine yerleştirebilmemiz için. Yaptığımız bu
We perform these thin incisions, also known as injections, using sapphire knives.
Bıçaklarla yapıyoruz. Dokunduğunuz anda ince bir kesi açabilen ve bu kesiyle birlikte
We use a technology that can create an incision upon contact and place the hair roots. After that, we collect these hair roots one by one and place them parallelly at the same depths and very close to each other.
birbirine paralel olacak şekilde aynı derinliklerde mesafeleri birbirine çok yakın bir şekilde yerleştiriyoruz. Evet, bu
This
işlem
is a
uzun
long
bir işlem.
process. It
Yaklaşık
may
8
take
saat
6
sürer.
to
Kimi zaman
12
6 saat
hours,
sürer. Kimi
but
zaman
we can
12
perform this
saat
procedure
sürer bu iş.
in an
Ama bu
environment
işlem bir
as
nevi
comfortable
otel
as
konforunda
hotels.
yapılabilir.
It can
Ağrısız
be
da
painless as
gerçekleşebilir.
well.
Bir insanın
The safest
güvende
and most
olabileceği,
comfortable
en
place for a
rahat
person is
edebileceği
in the
ortam
operating room.
ameliyathanedir. Herhangi bir şekilde kan basıncının artmasının durumunda,
In case the
herhangi bir
blood pressure
ağrının
drops,
olduğu
pain
durumda,
rises,
herhangi bir
bleeding
kanamanın
occurs,
olduğu
or
durumda,
any other
beklenmeyen
unexpected
her
situation,
durumda müdahale
practitioners can
edilebilir.
intervene in the
Anestezi
operating room
ekipmanlarıyla
by
birlikte
using
hekim kontrolünde
anesthesia,
ve
the right
doğru bir
equipment, so that the
ekipmanlarla
operation
birlikte
is completed
yürütülen
comfortably.
operasyonların tamamı konforlu geçer.
Hair
Evet, saç
transplantation
ekiminde
requires
ihtiyaç
safety,
olunan şey
comfort,
güvenliktir,
and of course expertise.
konfordur, tabii ki ustalıktır.
We
Biz
present
bu
not
noktada
only our
ülkemizi,
country but also
sadece
specifically our
ülkemizi
capital
değil,
city.
özel olarak söylemek gerekirse başkentimizi de çok güzel bir şekilde temsil ediyoruz. Saç
If you are
ekimi
looking
için
for a comfortable place
sizleri
right in the heart of
rahat bir
Anatolia,
ortam
we
istiyor
are
iseniz,
waiting for you
Anadolu'nun
in the
kalbinde yer
capital.
almak istiyorsanız başkentimize bekleriz.
What is hair transplantation? How is it applied? Dr. Ozgur Koldas answers your questions.